In today's video, we'll dive into how you can apply payment terms to quotations, sales orders, and purchase orders in Odoo. If you're looking to streamline your business processes and ensure timely payments, this guide is for you. What are payment terms? Before we get started, let's quickly recap what payment terms are. Payment terms define the time frame and conditions under which a payment must be made. They help businesses manage cash flow and maintain clear communication with customers and vendors. For example, Net 30 means the payment is due 30 days after the invoice date. Applying payment terms to quotations and sales orders. First, let's explore how to apply payment terms when creating a quotation or sales order in Odoo. These steps ensure that you and your customers are aligned on payment expectations from the beginning. Open the Sales app from your Odoo dashboard and click the Create button to start a new quotation. Select the customer for whom you're generating the quotation. If the customer has default payment terms associated with their contact record, these terms will automatically appear in the payment terms field. For example, if your customer, Super Supply, has layaway 25% down payment as their default terms, it will show up here. But let's say they need different terms for this specific order. No problem. You can change it manually using the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate payment terms from the drop-down menu if they aren't already set. Fill in the rest of the quotation details, such as the product, quantity, and price. Once everything is set, click Save and then Confirm to turn the quotation into a sales order. Applying payment terms to purchase orders. Now let's switch gears and talk about how to apply payment terms when working with purchase orders. This process helps you manage payments to your vendors effectively. Open the Purchase app from your dashboard and click Create to start a new request for quotation or purchase order. Select the vendor you're creating the purchase order for. If the vendor has default payment terms set in their contact record, those terms will automatically populate in the Payment Terms field under the Other Information tab. For instance, if your vendor, XYZ Supplies, has a default term of payable on receipt, it will show up here. But if you need to specify a different term for this transaction, you can easily adjust it. Navigate to the Other Information tab, choose the correct payment terms, and fill in the remaining details of the purchase order. Once everything is in place, click Save and proceed with Confirm Order or send by email as needed. Why are payment terms important? Setting the right payment terms ensures your cash flow remains healthy. For customers, it avoids disputes by clearly defining payment deadlines. For vendors, it helps you meet payment obligations on time, maintaining good business relationships. Tips for using payment terms in Odoo. Here are some tips to make the most of payment terms in Odoo. Always set default payment terms for customers and vendors to save time. Review payment terms regularly to ensure they align with your agreements. Use the reporting tools in Odoo to monitor overdue payments and plan your cash flow. With Odoo, managing payment terms is straightforward and highly customizable. Whether it's quotations, sales orders, or purchase orders, you can set terms that suit your business needs. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.